Welcome back, YouTubers. Roger with Gateway Cycles coming back to you from beautiful Mount Sterling. And I wanted to bring you another exciting machine today. Today we've got one from Benelli. This is the Benelli TNT 600. Also has a smaller brother 300 and a 135 counterpart as well, but today we're going to talk about the 300. Benelli is an Italian manufacturer, and you can tell that in design. They really design beautiful machines here. So let's do a walk around on the TNT 600 here. First thing you'll notice there in red is the trellis frame, kind of reminiscent of Ducati, another Italian brand. Look at the beautiful lines on that fuel tank and the plastics up front. Kind of sparse on the plastics, which is a great thing as far as I'm concerned. Nice high output headlight system on it. Just got back from riding this machine. Wonderful ride. Good seating position. Bars are not too far down, so you really sit a little more upright. We did customize this with an aero exhaust that goes up under the seat. Give you guys a little close-up of that there. And let me get down here and shoot up under there for you. What a wonderful machine, guys. And we might as well crank this thing up and see what she sounds like. Absolutely awesome, guys. Come on down here to Gateway Cycles and check this machine out in person. You can also check us out on the web at www.gatewaycycles.com. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Let us know you like our videos. We'll try to get more out for you. And join us on Facebook. Thanks, guys.